Hello my lovely friends, it's Eva here from Permaculture Haven, and today I want to show you my beautiful guava tree and fruits, or at least some of them which are left now. And I want to show you this tree because if you want to have quickly growing fruit tree which delivers delicious fruits, this is the tree you should go for. This is the Hawaiian Guava. It is now about over 3 meters high, and apart from being quick growing tree and delicious fruit, actually the fruit and the leaves, yes, the leaves as well, got many nutrients such as vitamin C, lycopene, copper, fiber, vitamin B9, vitamin A, which means it may help with weight loss, high blood pressure, eye and skin health, cough and cold, brain health, beats toothache, constipation, thyroid health. It's got antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, and also may prevent cancer. So lots and lots of pure health packed in this beautiful tree and ready for you to use. So apart from eating the fruits, adding them to smoothies, eating raw in salads and so on, you can also collect the leaves, dry them, use them for tea all year long. Make tinctures out of them, or even if you have a toothache, you can also take a leaf and chew on it as well. And I grew it from seed 4 years ago. So, and put the pot in with the plant, which was about 30 centimeters high 3 years ago, into this place. Planted it in there with into a slightly raised garden bed, and this is what you see it now. We harvested already about 20 kilo of fruits this season from this tree only. So look at the beautiful fruit. I usually cover the fruits with, put them into the exclusion bags, into the netting bags, because of the fruit fly. I don't want to eat fruits with fruit fly. But now at the end of the season, we have autumn now, and I forgot to put the bags in onto the fruits here, as you may see, but most of them don't have the fruit fly. So like it looks like this one might have, but the other ones are super healthy. Here there was probably the king parrot, which is visiting me all the time and coming for eating the pigeon peas and some fruits. So yeah, protecting the fruits with the nettings, but some of them have ripened already without the net. And as you may see, they are perfectly fine, like this one as well. I just got off the tree. And this is the Hawaiian Guava, or I'm not sure about the pronunciation. I think it's called Hawaiian or Hawaiian, you tell me. The leaves are pretty big. This is the trunk, so quite good size. And as I said, 3 years of growing in the soil, and about 1 year growing in the pot. So, and now I show you the inside. It's delicious, super juicy, and as you see, no fruit fly, nothing. Super healthy fruit. These are the seeds inside. And I will be selling, if not already, I will be selling the plants on my website, young seedlings, at permaculturehaven.com. So if you want to head onto my website and check it, I might sell some seeds as well at one stage. Delicious. So really, if you wanna have a beautiful fruit tree quickly growing with delicious fruit, you might consider the Hawaiian Guava. You can eat the entire fruit, including the seeds, but the seeds are pretty hard, so I wouldn't recommend you to bite on them. Just swallow them. It's very healthy for your bowel, by the way. So yeah, delicious. Sorry for eating and talking, but this is a fruit tasting video as well. So I hope you don't mind. So yeah, delicious Hawaiian guava. Grow it and enjoy it within only couple of years, because I'm pretty sure when you put it into a better soil than my soil was, you will have the fruit. You will have the fruit much quicker. So I will harvest the ripe fruits now, and the one with the fruit fly mark on it will go straight into the chickens or into the ducks, and they will love it. So yeah, I hope you liked the little video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe as usually, and hit the bell for the notifications about new videos, and consider joining my discussion board on the website if you want to ask questions or share your experience. So thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.